everyone, it's Nisha. So today I've got a big H&M haul. I've been waiting for this stuff like for over 2 weeks. I have two big boxes like this, and actually there is a couple of things that I'm still waiting for, but I thought I'm just going to get this video out because, you know, with the H&M things go so quickly and they don't usually come back to stock. A bit of housekeeping first. I thought I'd get it all out before I start, before I get questions. My necklace is from Caroline Brooke Jewelry. You can't get this anymore, so no point. I can give you a link to her website, but she doesn't do this anymore. This one was originally silver, but she dipped it in gold for me. On my lips I have NYX Los Angeles lip liner and Wayne Goss lip gloss in Hibiscus. And on my eyes I have the brand new Charlotte Tilbury eye palette. Okay, let's get on with the haul. So the first thing is this top, which I absolutely love. It is beautiful, very thin cotton. I will move away in a minute. I still have a tag on and it's very uncomfortable. I got this in size UK 12. It fits very well. As you can see, it sort of flares out here from the boobs down, and that's the back of it. It is so beautiful. In fact, I love it so much that I've ordered another one, because I've learned my lesson. If I really like something and I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it, I go and buy another one. Oh, another thing, because if you haven't seen my videos before, you might be asking me what strapless bra I'm wearing. My strapless bra is from Ultimo, and I think it's called, oh my god, Multi-Way. They don't do those bras anymore, and that's the only strapless bra that I wear. I have quite a few of them because when I saw they were going out of stock and production, obviously I've stocked up on them. So I can't give you any other bras. The Wonder Bra Ultimate Strapless is very good as well, and I have one of those. The only difference with that one is that it has very wide side straps, so it depends what you're wearing, it might show. So sorry about that, but you will just have to try and find your own strapless bra. Okay, so this is this top. I also got one like this in this pale pink. So let me just quickly put that on so you can see what it looks like. I didn't order another one in pink because, as you know, I wear mostly white. So let me put this one on. You know, I thought I'd show it to you because sometimes online it's difficult to judge the color. But it's a sort of powdery pink. So here is the pink. Can you see it's not baby pink, it's not pastel pink, it's just a, I would call it, sorry, you can see the wind. I hope you can't hear my air conditioning, but I have to have it on because it's so hot. Yeah, it's like a powdered muted pink, but it's exactly the same like the white one. Okay, let's see what else we've got here. Okay, yeah, I remember this one. This is a red square neck puffy sleeve top, and I ordered that in medium, so let me put that one on. Okay, so this is the red top. The color is gorgeous. You know, I'm funny with red, but you've seen me buying that dress from Amazon in red. It has to be a certain color red, and this is it. This is beautiful. Now this is size medium, but it feels very big. Like, you know, it's got this stretch here, but I don't know if I ordered small, it would then maybe pull here, because when you lift your arms, the whole thing lifts up. It's It's cotton, but much thicker, much thicker than the other one. It almost feels a bit like linen. I love it. It's so pretty, but I don't know how comfortable I feel in it. It is comfortable, it's not restrictive, but it just moves too much. You know, this is just huge. So I have to think about this one. Let me know what you think. Sorry they are all creased up, but I'm just pulling them out straight from the box. Okay, the next thing I got is this sheared boob tube basically, and I got it in size medium. I was just thinking of it as something, you know, to wear in my back garden when it's nice and sunny, so when you're getting a bit of suntan you don't get the straps. But this one seems a bit short. Let me put it on and have a look. I've also ordered one like this in white. Okay, so that's the boob tube. I don't know, it's nothing special. It is a bit short, as you can see, it comes up to my waist, so these jeans are a bit higher waisted, but I don't normally wear high-waisted stuff, so it might be too short, so I probably send that one back. So let me just show you, I've got the same one in white. I'll definitely send this one back because do you remember I have very similar top but with frill down the bottom that I bought last year from ASOS, so I don't really need this one, so I definitely send it back. But the size, it's medium, it's pretty good, so I would say it's true to size, and because it's stretchy then it doesn't matter. Okay, this is another top, is that broderie anglais. Really pretty. I ordered this one in UK size 14, and thank God I did, because this one is very fitted. It has a bit of stretch in it, but as you can see it's very fitted. It's got a zip going down here. I like it, but yeah, so it's really pretty. I love this trend, but it is so tight, not uncomfortably tight, but very fitted, that you know you can see few fatty bits. I've got a mirror here, so that's why I'm looking. Oh, hang on, there is the lining. So I think, you know, if I sit down, can you see I've got a roll? So I don't know, I love this top. I could try, but bigger one would be then too big, and probably would be too big here. So I like it, but I'm not sure how comfortable I will feel to have something so fitted. So this is maybe. I've got another top that is very similar to this. The difference is that this, I think, is sheared, so it's more stretchy, but I think it's a bit shorter. This one comes sort of halfway down the belly, but I think the other one is shorter, so let's put that one on. So here is the other one. Can you see how much shorter that is? And that is showing my little pouch, which I'm not too fond of. But it's much more comfortable because, as you can see, it's all sheared here. So yeah, I like it, but why do they do everything cropped this year? You know, I want a cute top, but I don't want it cropped. So yeah, I don't know, I probably will send that one back, even though I really like it. Although I could wear it with something, like put it inside, I don't know. Let me show you the pair of trousers that I bought. Linen mix beige trousers. They feel absolutely wonderful. I love the colour. I love that stone, type of stone, beigey stone colour with white. and I got this in UK 12. I had to change the top because the other top looked awful with these trousers. I will show them to you in a minute, but I also wanted to show you I got this straw shopper bag because I think in the summer they look so nice with these cotton white outfits. I'm not sure how much I like it. It looks a bit flat. Let me stuff it with some paper or with stuff. If I had stuff in it, what it will look like. Okay, when it's stuffed, looks a bit better. Sorry, but this aircon is blowing in my face. I've stuffed it with some Nutella bars and some Yorkshire tea, just to show you. So let me show you the trousers. I love them. They are so comfortable. They feel a bit tight in my waist because they high up, but I know because it's linen mix they will stretch. So but I love them, absolutely love them. So, and look at it with that bag. Can you see me? There. Yeah, I've got a problem with bags. They have two straps because I've got quite narrow shoulders and it never stays on my shoulder. So I'm not sure about this bag. I still want to get a straw bag, but maybe not this one. This one also is not very safe. It doesn't have any closure. It just has one zippy pocket inside. Okay, so I'm definitely keeping these. Love, love, love them. Okay, what's next? I don't think I have any more tops. I think the rest is dresses, and I'm quite excited about the dresses. This dress I absolutely love. It's nothing special. It is made out of this crinkly cotton. Do you know what it looks like? Like a muslin cloth. It reminds me of what Max used to cuddle when he was little, but it's quite thick, but it's so lovely and soft. I've ordered two, one in medium and one in small, because on a website it said that they come up big, and yes they do, but I don't know if they're supposed to look like this, if you know what I mean. So I will try them both. This one is medium. I'll try the medium on first, and then I will try small. They came in different colors. There was one that I really wanted, but it sold out. It had these beautiful like pale pink and blue flowers on it, but that's sold out. So I have that one, and I have one with like green palm leaves, so I will show you. Okay, so I'm going to put on the medium. Okay, so this is medium, and yes, it is quite big. Can you see? It's got adjustable straps though, but I don't know if it's supposed to look like this. Is like the most comfortable soft dress ever, and I love it. So have a look at that. And how about that for a cool outfit? I don't normally wear hats. I wear them on holiday, but not here. Where's this hat from? I don't know. I probably bought it on holiday. It is far too big. That's the problem with me and hats. I've got very small head, so hats are usually too big for me. Yeah, I think that looks really, really cute. So let me now put on the small dress. Okay, so this is the small. Yeah, I suppose it looks smaller here, and also I think it's a bit shorter because it's smaller. I suppose I can let the straps down a bit, then you will hang. But I don't think it makes that much difference if it's small or medium. Do you know what? I might keep the medium and the small. I love this dress so much, so I have two. because they were so inexpensive. I think they were like £19. So this is exactly the same dress, the same fabric, but in that cute palm leaves, which is very much on trend this season. So this one is in small, I'm sure. Yeah, that's in small. So let me put that on and let's see what this one looks like. So here is the palm leaves. I don't know if I like this one that much. Still cute, but I think, you see, it's got like 3 panels. So that's the first panel, finishes here. Then you've got the next panel here. And because of the pattern, you can see the panel, and I'm not sure I like that. I don't know, let me know what do you think of this one. Should I keep this one as well? It's cute, and for hot summer it's perfect. Okay, this dress is beautiful, but look at this here, how it's absolutely squashing me, and it's such a shame. I don't know, maybe if I wore a bra with with straps, but I don't like the straps showing, because everywhere else, look at it, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, and it fits everywhere here. From here down it fits perfectly. I ordered it in size UK 14 because I could see that it was more fitted. If I ordered it bigger, it would be all big here, and damn these boobs. I don't know, because it's cotton, I don't know if you would maybe stretch a bit. I'm not sure. I love it so much. I don't really want to send it back. Tell me what you think. Does it look like I'm squashed to nothing, or can I get away with it? They did this in black and in beautiful pink, but they didn't have the size. But what H&M does, they also have, I think it's H&M Curve for, you know, plus sizes. So I thought maybe I order from that the smallest one that they do, if you know what I mean. So I've ordered from the plus size large, because I think they go from large, extra large, extra large. But that one is too big. I will put it on quickly so you can see the color. It's beautiful, like a cerise pink, but it is too big. Okay, so this is the pink one, gorgeous color, but so this is from the plus range, and this is size large from that range. Mind you, here doesn't look too bad, but everywhere here is too huge, as you can see. Yeah, maybe if I shorten the straps, but then it's sort of too big here. Let me shorten the straps. Now, if I straighten the straps, can you see it's all too huge here? But just in case, if you wanted it, it's beautiful. It's cotton, it's lined, so it's not see-through. Beautiful, beautiful dress. Oh, I really want to keep that white one, but I don't know. I think that's it. Let me just quickly look through those boxes if I've shown you everything, and I'll be back. Yeah, that's it. That was it. So I am definitely keeping both of these dresses, the medium and the small. I've got small on right now. I'm definitely keeping the first 2 frilly tops and the linen trousers. I'm still thinking about the red top and the white top that was quite tight. I don't know, but let me know, what do you think I should keep and what I should send back. Don't need to tell me about this one. I'm keeping it regardless. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave all the links to all the stuff down below. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.